Well, look who's back. I guess your life is so boring that you would rather watch diesel trucks blow smoke and do burnouts. Can't blame you. At least here, the air smells like diesel, not like microwave pizza. Welcome back to Badass Diesel Club. Let's roll it.
Hey, park it here, not in the back. Just park it here. Huh? Yeah.
Don't worry, I will sit here in the corner. This is YouTube rules.
That's it.
Nice start. Oh,
Out there, he's watching his running fans. We're watching him come out. Oh, he's getting after it now. I can see one. Oh, there we go. Hammer down. Take hammer down. Heck yeah. Stay with me, please. Don't give up.
for wasting your time with us. Got the footage? Just submit it, we will feature it. And remember, Badass Diesel Clubs, it's a place where you can sell and buy diesel trucks. Bye bye, see you soon.